How you doing, guys? For guys with problems on the enclave, buick traverse enclave, is you get the 4246 cylinder misfire. Make sure you check your ground right here. If you have problems with the ground, it's not gonna work. So don't many people that do repairs, they misplace the ground on the front of the engine and they put it here, and the ground has to be down here and it has to go to the block because you won't get no ground from here. So just make sure and check it out this with these cars. You make sure your ground is good, make sure these grounds are clean and everything, or you're gonna get that misfire 426. That's the most common deal on these Chevys. If you do check all this and you don't solve the problem, then most likely it's your computer messing up. So just get it checked, and good luck, guys, with that. We had that problem in this Buick Enclave 2010, 2011, and then make sure you check your grounds in the front of the engine. That's what I heard on the internet, that you got those problems, and then that was the one that we have over here. Sometimes you look at the wires, make sure your wires also they break on this socket, so make sure they're good right there. Check it out and check your ground. We peel everything up and we make sure the ground, this is the ground for the 3 coils, and there should be 3 cables and they should be going to the 246 coil packs. Other than that, that runs all these connections. They do run to the computer right here. They run to the computer from here to here. So if you don't get no power on those, it's because your computer is messing up too. So get that checked out. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Thank you.